Hey, what's up guys? So in this video ay may i-review tayong panibagong project kundi itong Blockbet, which is isang gaming platform kung saan guys pwede kayong maglaro with up to 1,000 leverage trading. So dito guys pwede kayong mag-trade ng crypto, okay, with 20 plus top cryptocurrencies with no bid offer, spread, and competitive fees. So guys, i-review natin itong Blockbet na ito dahil nakita natin na bago-bago pa lang ito at meron silang pre-sale ongoing, which we will check out later and learn more about. Okay, so meron sila ditong revolutionary PvP, which is kind of interesting kasi kakaiba to. So meron silang PvP originals, which is in-introduce nila yon sa gaming industry. So crypto gaming industry, meron silang mga PvP minigames at mga jackpots wherein you can earn up to $1 million, which is napakalaki. Meron din silang NFT meme coin launchpad at meron din silang token which is sinatawag na BBETS token, or eto, makikita nyo dito, BBETS token, at pwede nyo rin yan i-stake. Okay, meron silang revenue ng $105 million in 2020, $1.2 billion in 2021, and $2.6 in 2022. Okay, yung imagine stake. Who have opportunity to stake it and earn a share, let's say 10% of the revenue. So pwede nyo rin i-stake guys yung BBETS. At meron din silang Blockbets Baboon. Kunwari meron silang mga NFTs dyan. Okay, high roller NFTs, sportbook NFTs, poker NFTs. At meron silang tokenization na kanilang mga physical goods. At meron din silang mga jackpots. Okay, so ito yung team nila guys. Okay, ito yung responsible, verified sila, meron silang KYC editing. At yung platform nila mga kaibigan, ayan, pwede kayo mag-deposit, napakabilis, you can play anywhere. At yung mission nila guys is here, play, earn, and grow. Is kalamin naman na mga inano natin dito sa ating crypto channel is kung saan pwede kayo kumita ng pera. Pero there's always a risk to that, so learn more about that later. Pero eto, meron silang BBETS token wherein you can stake it and earn depending do sa kinikita nila. Okay, at meron din sila dito extensive VIP program, okay, kung saan guys pwede kayong mag-earn and active passive. Okay, meron daily, weekly, and monthly bonuses katulad nito guys. Ay meron mga rewards dyan at meron din silang multi-level affiliate program kung saan guys pag nag-invite kang ibang tao, 20% of your direct referrals makakuha ka, tapos 10% dun sa level 2 at 5% naman dun sa level 3. So the more you invite, the more din yung makukuha mo. Tapos ito guys yung roadmap nila, Phase 1, Phase 2, up to 2024 ng Phase 4, okay, PvP and original game release, PvP poker integration, at marami pang iba. So yung tokenomics nila mga kaibigan at supply nila is 100 million at Blockbet Casino yung kanilang token name with BBETS symbol. Nasa BEP20 ito. Okay, ito yung token distribution nila guys. Okay, 40% sa pre-sale allocation, 20% liquidity, at meron silang 10% airdrop. So kung ako sa inyo guys, i-follow nyo sa kanilang mga social media tulad ng Telegram or TikTok, Twitter, ganyan, para updated kayo sa mga gagawin nila. Okay, meron din silang buy burn para maging stable yung kanilang token guys. Kaya ito yung BBETS stakers, yung percentage ng Blockbet's profit is gagamitin nila para bumili ng BBETS token na i-burn nila para kumonti yung supply at mas maging stable yung value. Okay, meron silang ganan. At yung utility naman ng BBETS token is shared success. Okay, kasi yung portion ng profit is gagamitin pang burn, at yung inner circle success, meron silang private Discord channel so makapagbigay sila ng valuable insights sa platform at sa development nito. Okay, at marami pang iba na makakatulong sa pag-shape ng future. Okay, so meron sa staking, ayan, bronze, silver, gold, platinum, diamond, liquidity farming. Okay, meron sila din ganito. Okay, pwede kayo mag-farm na liquidity by just staking BBETS token at ibigay nyo sa liquidity pool kung saan pwede kayo i-reward. Okay, at meron din sila rake boost at giveaways to random holders sa mga airdrops. Kaya make sure to follow nyo guys yung kanilang ano. Pero dito na tayo guys sa kanilang pre-sale. Punta tayo sa kanilang pre-sale website at mamaya naman guys punta tayo sa kanilang Twitter website. Okay, so ayan, hintayin natin lang mag-loading guys. So ito yung Blockbet, ayan, Blockbet's token. Audited siya sa KYC at meron siyang pre-sale starting April 20, no? So it is going on. Okay mga kaibigan. At ngayon malayo-layo na kasi May 19 na ngayon, no? So meron silang casino, sportsbook at poker. At ayan guys, yung Blockbets makita, no? Ito yung mga games dito ng mga iba't iba. Okay, sign up lang kayo dyan or sign in para malaman nyo yung mga iba pa nilang ano. Tapos yung BBETS naman, tilang natin guys yung pre-sale nila, which is ngayon hindi pa siya masyadong nag-load. Pero ito yung mga pwede nyo i-deposit guys. Okay, pag magde-deposit kayo, okay, available siya sa maraming chain. At yung ano nila dito guys, pre-sale is right now hindi siya naglo-load yung pre-sale website nila kasi siguro tapos na. Pero we'll learn more about that later. Pero for now, yan muna natin yung kanilang Twitter mga tol. Okay, ito yung Twitter nila mga kaibigan. Ayan, more than, ayan, pre-sale Blockbets. Meron silang pre-sale ngayon. Ito pre-sale. Kaso, di pa sila masyadong available. Okay. So, ito guys, sa Twitter nila, pwede nyo sila i-ano dyan, check dyan guys. Kasi, dito sila mag-update na makuha ng information about sa kanila. So, ayan, KYC audited naman siya, 90 of 100. Pero, at the end of the day guys, kayo pa rin yung bahala if gusto nyo pumasok sa isang project. So, always do your own research. Okay, so, dito na siguro magtatapos guys yung ating video. Maraming salamat sa inyong panonood. See you soon sa ating next video guys.